Let me show you how we can power off Motorola Edge 70 Pro without touching this screen. So if you have any issue with the touch screen, you cannot use it in order to shut down the phone, there is a little trick that we can do. So we can force restart our phone, which can be done by just pressing and holding the power button over here. So as you can see here, in this place over here, we have, of course, the power button. You want to press and hold the power button until the screen shuts down. And once it shuts down, you want to press and hold the volume down button. So let's just press and hold the power button. We're gonna hold it for approximately 10 seconds until the screen shuts down. And once it happens, immediately switch to the volume down button. There we go. And then just keep holding, and there we go. Now we have the fast boot mode. And we should be able to use volume buttons, and we need to find the power off option. So once you have power off, you want to press the power button, and that's it. Now let's see if we will be back into the fast boot mode if we turn the phone back on, but it seems that now we should be back into the normal mode. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.